Hi, my name is Gavin, and I will be telling you about my experiment of birds and what they like to eat. My question was, what kind of seeds do the birds like at October Elementary School? And that came from a problem. We didn't have a variety of birds coming to our feeders, so we wanted to know what they liked. My hypothesis was, I thought they were going to like the sunflowers the best. My hypothesis was an educated guess. My materials were measuring tools, water to help the suction cup stick to the window, 3 bird feeders, 3 different kinds of seeds, thistle, sunflower, and millet. And then I used the feeders same color because we weren't testing the seeds, not the color. My procedural, or the steps, were I filled the feeders with 3 different seeds. I put 2 cups in each. I put the feeders on the window in the order of thistle, sunflower, millet. I brought the feeders in several times to measure how much of each they ate. I changed the order of the feeders each time. I changed the order of the feeders because we weren't testing the place, we were testing the feeders. These are my graphs. I made these because throughout the month we did this. This is how much all of the seeds had eaten. The birds had eaten the seeds. Thistle was 2 cups and a half. Millet was 6 cups and a half. And sunflower was almost 8 cups. And this is the graph of thistle. This one was all of the feeders, all of the seeds, and this one is just thistle. We did this through March 31st to April 28th. So March 31st, it started with 0, and then it increased and increased and increased a whole bunch more. This is a picture of me pointing to the feeders. This is a picture of chipping sparrows, a female chipping sparrow and a male chipping sparrow. And this is us getting ready to stick the millet feeder on the window. These are the feeders where sunflower is winning and thistle is losing. This is a hairy woodpecker. This is a female brown-headed cowbird at the millet feeder. And this is a picture of a female house finch and a male house finch. My observation log, the birds that were at the feeders. Goldfinches, brown-headed cowbirds, house finches, chipping sparrows, juncos, cardinals, and hairy woodpeckers. My conclusion was my hypothesis was correct. If you want a variety of birds coming to your feeders, you need to put a variety of seeds out. The thistle really increased because the goldfinches came back from their migration and they were hungry. They didn't care that the thistle was by the window, they just wanted something to eat. If you want a variety of birds coming to your feeder, you have to put a variety of seeds out. Thank you for listening to my presentation on birds and what they like to eat.